Welcome back. It's time we close out our week with our own Shannon Becker and his big three stories. Welcome back, Shannon.
Thank you. Welcome. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. I've been able to dodge the bad luck that comes with Friday the 13th so far, so knock on wood for that one.
I'm not sure that's wood, but anyway.
It'll count for now. It'll count. Cover me for a little bit.
A lot of glue and stuff, and paint and wood chips. So, all right, let's take a look at the big three this week. Top three live and breaking stories. We were there late Sunday night. Casey's General Store at Stone's Corner. An armed robber entered the store. There were about 6 people working at the time. Yeah, pretty scary. You can see right there, a gun, man, black male, walked in, demanded cash, and then walked out. Traveled south of the store, they believe got into a vehicle and traveled towards Webb City. About 45 minutes later, also by chance, a black male entered a store, a truck stop at Lamar called Lamarty's. Could be more than one person in the vehicle, not the same one that robbed both locations, but could be the same vehicle involved.
Gotcha.
You can check out more on our website, KOAM News Now. Number 2 story, would you like $2,000? Well, if you know this guy, $2,000, not a bad idea, right? He's wanted on felony DWI charges as a chronic DWI offender. Jeffrey Ramsey has been wanted by Jasper County Sheriff's Office for these active felony warrants. Call for more details. All information is kept confidential. Our number 1 story, last Friday morning, police canine, retired Lamar canine, Hondo was laid to rest, put to sleep, euthanized if you want to say it like that. He'd been in ill health the past year. He retired in June of 2021 after 9 years of service there in Barton County. It was a tough family decision. He'd become a family dog after that. But we were able to cover that story. It was really, there's such a brotherhood between canine officers, and that was what was really neat to experience. They came from Oklahoma, Kansas, and of course Missouri, and escorted them to the Carthage Animal Clinic. And our bonus story of the week, if you find yourself out of business, maybe it's because this is in your yard. This drug house is now closed to the public. That's the Bates County Sheriff's Office after a drug bust on Tuesday in Butler, Missouri. I tell you, that's bold. But he says that having a dope house like that, you offend the Missouri state statutes. Any room, building, or structure used for illegal manufacture, distribution, or storage of drugs, then it's a public nuisance. And so the public has to be alerted to that. So I do like that sign, though. I think that kind of helps everybody know what's going on in the neighborhood without any gossip, see? There's no gossip. There's the sign. You just
put it out there. Yeah, there's no need to look out the window and be, I wonder what all those police
who are those who are all those people? Yeah.
Exactly, yeah.
So the sheriff, he puts it up after they've served a search warrant for narcotics. And yes, there were 2 people detained, 1 person arrested and charged the other day. So
well, there you go.
That's your big 3 live and breaking stories, plus your bonus, which I always enjoy.
Heck yeah.
So it's fun. All right.
Always good to have a big 4.
All right. Have a good weekend. Good luck with your Friday the 13th, though.
Well, yeah. I'll hopefully survive the day.
Yeah.
But you never know.
All right.
All righty. Well, thanks for tuning in. We'll be right back with more news and weather.